Jerry, and this is Plowin around. Here we go with an empty trailer that just had Ned's Subaru on it. Ned's Subaru. What are we going to do, Jerry? Oh, we're going to go pick up some junk, Jerry. More junk. More junk. Lots of treasures. You'll see it soon, that trailer. Right there in the mirror. Junk. It'll be full of junk. Junk. Plowing around episode 7 through 23. Trying to work on this stuff and then giving up and taking it to the scrapyard. Future episodes right here. This one. Probably this one. Not that one. That's a piece of junk, but parts, you know. Here's probably the first project. Getting your old junk mower running and selling it to some unsuspecting schmuck. What are you doing, guy? Looking for the middle. Hey, look at us. Always do grinding in sandals, shorts with no face shield. Because, hey, look at this. Alright. So, what we got going on here, gals and girls, we gotta mount this on here because it tears up the boards. And, you know, that sucks. And then, we gotta mount these somewhere in here for these to conveniently hook into. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That way we can load junk car. Yeah. And if you were with us earlier in this episode, see all the junk still on the trailer. We're on a different episode. Same junk though. Same episode? Yeah, it's gonna be the same episode. But same junk too. We found out since then, you know, Jerry being Detective Jerry that he is, that the mower runs. It just needs a carburetor, which is right there. It only needs a carburetor and everything else. And a battery. And the blades don't kind of not work. But we'll get there. Yeah, whatever. They can go to the dump. Big 140C, son. Only the finest fucking
what it is?
It's a Lincoln. Power Make 140C. None of that Home Depot crap. It's the finest welder that you cannot buy at Harbor Freight.
Yes. But the helmet sold exclusively
Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight.
Yeah, Brandy.
Chicago Electric beats Miller, beats Lincoln, beats everybody.
Yeah, I got this helmet for a freaking welder rental one time. Dude borrowed my welder, he gave me a helmet. Hell yeah. I had that non-auto darkening piece of shit before. That thing sucks. If you weld without an auto darkening helmet, you're gonna have a bad time. So, since this is kind of whopper job, I don't know if we can, you know, get a deal with one of these. What do you think?
Man, give her a little stitchy poo.
I'm gonna put a little stitchy poo bubble gum on it.
Give her a little stitchy poo, and then we'll give her a little shove, and then you give her another little stitchy poo.
Make sure when you're welding next to wood that you just get it as hot as you can.
You want to transfer as little of the heat into the wood as you possibly can. But you know, welding, it's a heat transfer process. And
unless
wood,
it's a cold metal transfer welder.
Well, yeah. Some of you might know about cold metal transfer, some of you might not. But let me tell you about this, my like fro. He's doing hot metal transfer right now.
Metal transfer. Ain't got a room.
That was Bella's.
Huh?
Huh?
Look at this.
No, that's what I saw. I got some fluid or shit on
Make pliers.
as epic as welders are, they can't weld through paint. I know, it's stupid, right? Someday the technology will catch up with my working practices. Oh, look at that. Tips all like, man. We'll just try to get one of these numbers here. See what happens. Look at this. Wait. Look at this. Oh. Yeah, these tips are expensive, I'm afraid. I was like, yeah, it is. Give it a count more wire speed.
Wire speed.
Just a CH.
Boop.
That was almost 2 CHs.